Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today in this video we'll be going to talk about a very special application. With the help of that application you can able to build your resume in such a way that it will help you to crack any of your job application you're applying for. So I think every one of you would have an account in that application. The application which I am talking about is LinkedIn. So we'll be able to see that how can we able to make a professional good looking resume with the help of that application. So without further wasting of time, let's move into the video and see how to build that resume. Okay, so first of all what we will do, we'll open our browser. So in my case I'm opening the Edge browser, and then we will go to linkedin.com. So here I have in my linkedin.com, this is my account. Here you can see. Now open your profile, and after opening your profile, whatever you want to do, you need to add all these things. Like each and every field should be like completely added. Your profile should be looking good. It should contain all each and every information. It is not like something is left. Like whenever you log in into LinkedIn and whenever you create account into LinkedIn, so they will ask you that complete your profile. So you should complete each and every information they are asking. Okay, so it will make you better and it will be helpful for you to reach to the uh, what you say, that HR persons immediately. Okay, so first of all what you will do after doing all this thing, you need to click on more. When you click on more, you can see something called build a resume. After that you can see I have already built up two resumes here. So what I'll do, I'll delete both the resume from here for you guys only. And after deleting both the resume, what I will do, I'll create from profile. And after creating on profile, you need to mention your job title. Let's say in my case, network engineer, and then apply. As soon as you will click like that, you can see that this profile, with the help of that keyword, they will also give you some suggestion, like some suggestion keyword you should add in your system. Okay, but this profile looks good. And keyword check for the breast insights, you can check for here. Now here your resume has been built up. You can see here each and everything has been added and your resume has been built up. Now just what you need to do is, after making your profile like this, you need to go to more and then download as PDF. So this is the simple way to create your resume using LinkedIn. So with the help of LinkedIn, you can create your resume. If you want to add or delete anything from your LinkedIn profile, you can do from there, and then you just click on build your resume and it will build a resume like this. So hope like you have liked this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Thank you.